Welcome to Hitcoin Daily, the channel which brings you every day the newest and hottest tokens on the blockchain. Today we are talking about GravitX or GRX shortcut. Already 318% in profits after get listed on CoinGecko. It's a day ago. And you can buy this token on PancakeSwap version 2 because for sure it's a Binance Smart Chain contract. Before we step into GravitX project, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, leave me a like, and maybe write down into the comments what you think about this project and why I think there's more insight. Yeah, I'm sorry guys, but I miss the pre-sale because if you look at this little number here, we have a 480x already achieved. So $10 you have 4.8 grand. But sorry for that. I'm working on it to be one of the first guys who knows about good projects. You can see this in my last video. I post also a new very good project. It will come on the market on the blockchain next week. Don't forget that. And right now we are looking on GravitX.space. Here you can see their contract address. You have here a link for their Telegram group. We were looking later on it and for sure buying this token. Welcome to GravitX. GravitX is an elastic supply token designed to go to the moon and beyond by forever going up. This revolutionary technology is called AntiGravity. Hold with confidence as the price is guaranteed to rise each hour until we reach $1.3 US. That means for one token, guys. Why is that? You will see later in that video. How does it work? An elastic supply or rebase token. Rebase is here the magic word. Don't forget this kind of things. You will see this more in future. Rebase token works in a way that the circulating supply expands all contracts due to the changes in token price. This increase or decrease in supply works with a mechanism called rebasing. When a rebase occurs, the supply of the token is increased or decreased algorithmically based on the current price of each token. In some ways, elastic supply tokens can be paralleled with stablecoins. I don't want to mention that, but you can see this kind of token. I make in last days a token called Forever FOMO, and they made the same thing, right? So the price they try here with this rebasing to rise up the price if they decrease the supplies, right? They aim to achieve a target price, and these rebase mechanics facilitate that. However, the key difference is that rebasing tokens aim to achieve it with a changing elastic supply. GRX differs by having an increasing peg price and no positive rebases, making GRX an anti-gravity upcoin. We call this new tech the AntiGravity Contract. Abstract. GRX is the token with the higher rate of rise guaranteed in the entire market. You won't find a faster trip into space, not even with Elon's spaceships. Okay. The contract mathematically guarantees a constant minimum price increase over time before reaching a ceiling. This process is entirely automatic after first supply adjust callings. So you can read about the tokenomics, about the roadmap. I don't want to bore you more. Here we have some FAQs. So it is a rebase token. That means they can decrease even in your own wallet the supply, and because of that the price normally rises up, right? So we have here a white paper, but I don't want to read that. Really, you can read it if you like it. And we have a Telegram member group. Right now 4,800 members and 1,000 are online right now. So that means if you have some questions, step into this Telegram group and just ask the community what they think about this project. We have here also Twitter account with 2,300 followers, a Reddit account also, and let's step into the actual price chart. And here I can see, boom, a big pump. After this token get listed on CoinGecko, something was going on here, right? And yeah, it's even more than 300% from this time. So what do you think about this project? What about the Rebase token? What do you think? If you see here, market cap 1.1 million, 250,000 US dollars are already invested in this project. What do you think about this project? Write down into the comments. Maybe leave me a like or subscribe this channel. It will help me a lot to show you every day the newest and hottest tokens on the blockchain. So my price prediction, I don't know guys, but I think here's much more insight because this token is very fresh, it's very new. If they put now a lot of effort into the marketing, I'm sure something can go on, right? I'm sure here some guys, if they make the right marketing, they can go to the moon another 100x.